Today we are at a convention center. We're not in Arkansas anymore. We're in Canada. Vancouver Auto Show, I believe. It's almost like another SEMA, but for Canadians. Here, vibe it out and see Canada girl herself. It's Canada girl. You want to say hi? Switch camera. There you go, So she's gonna be the camera woman today, and American boy in Canada. Here we go. Here, I'm not saying they're trying to be regular cars or anything like that, but we already see this. We got a GT4. I never seen a GT4 in person. They're pretty sick, but I wonder if there's actually like modified cars here. So let's try to find something modified. Okay. Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Insurance? I said give me a dab up, and I meant to do a handshake, but he did the little dab. You know what I'm saying? This is the new me. You feel me? We got this Lexus. Does it look good on me, Canada girl?
Very Kevin Nguyen.
Kevin Nguyen in style. Mama, do you need a new car? Cause I still can't afford it. I don't think I see anything modified actually. Okay, so now we got the front. Canada girl, show them what they got. Okay. Pretty nice for the most part. I'm not trying to be ungrateful, guys, but I've seen it so many times, and it's like, I need something new. I need something fresh. I think I prefer this car better than the whole selection that I showed you guys earlier of the R34, R32, R33 collection. I think this is way cleaner than that. Oh, look at this. 911. The classic 911. Oh my god! Guys! I know I stole a bowl of pho, but I think it's time to serve my time for that bowl of pho that I stole. Time to escape. No! What's up? What's your name?
Vanny.
Vanny?
I've been watching your videos.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You from Canada?
Yeah, I'm okay. You're American, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I flew from Arkansas. That's where I'm from.
You still have the Mark V?
Oh, no. I sold it. Yeah, I sold it. I bought a Civic, and then now I'm trying to boost it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well, you know what they don't know?
They don't know about the Civic. You guys hear the song? Wait, actually, we should probably not play it because I probably get copyrighted. Someone said clean car on the windshield. There's clean, real car, something like that. I guess it got so dusty. Oh, show the picture.
Yeah, it's gonna stay greasy. It doesn't. You just have to.
Literally, this is an auto show, and they're selling foot cream. You got a crack on your foot? Don't worry. We got you. If you're stepping on the throttle that hard, we got foot cream for you. I'm hungry. We woke up for this. It's low-key a disappointment because mainly this show is just mainly for cars that are just being released and stuff like that. So other than that, we're just gonna get some food and let's get out, explore a little bit of Canada. You definitely don't see that in Arkansas. Hey, this is what I'm gonna Damn, I didn't know you rent out the whole station for me. Oh, they hitting up real good. They tuned in. They even got the buds in and everything. Oh, yeah. They going crazy for sure. Oh, hold up. GTR. Here we go. Whoa.
What you got? Okay. Hey. Dang, that's crazy.
Michael Jordan. Hey, you hit my ball. Look at that. What'd you order?
Spicy pork.
Spicy pork. Okay.
Tofu.
Yep, tofu, a little bit of rice. Add this with it. Fired FD Honda Civic. However, look at this price tag right here. $450. I can literally pay gas and get McDonald's with that. RWB is $120 for a model car for a Porsche RWB. Come on, man. Oh no, let's get the fuck out of here.